Okay folks, Scott here, how you doing? I know the light isn't all that great, but what you're looking at is a Dell, and this is an Inspiron 1545. Nice little layout here. This is supposed to have a Pentium dual core, really crummy chip inside of it. I inherited this laptop recently, so this is my attempt at upgrading at the most minimal cost. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a retail laptop like this, and upgrade that CPU, upgrade that memory, and get this thing as fast as some of the Macintoshes that are out there, the iMacs. Okay, so let's do it.